Hi guys, my name is Michelle and welcome to my channel. I make time-lapse videos of how I did my paintings. For this video today, I'm trying out an oil portrait of a girl. I've done several dry brush technique portraits. That's this view. And I've done some charcoal portraits. That's this. But for oil paint, this is only my third attempt. Let me show you the first two. They look horrible, I know. Not so much about the painting, but the drawing. The facial features were all off. I know I've got lots to improve on my drawing. Anyway, for this painting, I want to concentrate on the painting part, so I have chosen to transfer the drawing onto the paper with charcoal, so that my paper is really clean to work on. Also, because today is the first time I'm trying this technique, I don't know if it'll work out at all. I actually tried to start on a canvas, but it's super hard to get the paint to stick onto the canvas. I couldn't even draw a proper line. I don't know how other artists have done it. Their paint look thick and they glide on the canvas like so easy. But when I tried it, it didn't work at all. If you happen to know, don't mind if you can tell me in the comments down below. I'm really curious. So then I changed the surface to a 250 gram watercolor paper. I put 2 coats of gesso on the front and 1 coat on the back to counter the warping. And this, the oil paint glided on effortlessly. Such a nice feeling. But of course that also means that it's not the same when you are blending the colors. It's harder to blend the colors seamlessly as compared to blending on a canvas. That's just my experience, of course, as a beginner in painting on watercolor paper. Other established artists have done so beautifully without problem. In this painting, I pre-mixed my color with only very minimum liquid, as I needed the paint to be thick. This girl I was painting is supposed to be a fair-skinned Caucasian, but I have mixed flesh tone like she's a Latino. I need to improve on my color mixing. Her nose didn't look quite right also. I will be correcting that at the end of the video. I also gave her a pair of overly manly eyebrows. Should have toned it down a bit. The biggest issue was the lower lips. The position was way off. So this painting looked kind of weird. It's very interesting to paint this way, but with my current skill, I find it a bit difficult to reach a smooth transition in color blending, especially if there are soft edges. Using paper is a lot easier when painting the hair, as the color just glides on with no tooth to catch it and stop it halfway. When the face was done, I find the whites of the eyes were too bright. It's not pure white that I painted on, but it's still too white for the skin tone, so I repainted with a darker tone. I know this painting is not very good, but this is only my third attempt. I'll only get better, right? Please support me by liking the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!